I want to talk about the most recent LGBTQ Gallup poll, why it makes me optimistic for queer people's future, and why I think it's similar to left-handedness. So this Gallup poll comes out every year in the spring. When it first came out in 2012, LGBTQ identification was at 3.5%. This past year, it was 9.3%, 14% millennials, 23% Gen Z, and that's not even measuring all of Gen Z. Gen Z birth year goes through 2010, so we still have a segment of Gen Z who are not yet adults, so they're not being measured yet. It's fun to imagine a world 30 or 40 years from now in which these younger generation's numbers are the norm. To me, this increase is a win for destigmatization, and I think it's comparable to what happened with left-handedness, where once they figured out that it was science and not witchcraft that made people left-handed, and they stopped burning us at the stake for it, more people were willing to say they were left-handed. So the numbers drifted upward, and then it flattened out. So I feel like we're in the middle of that upward drift right now. I also think it'll be interesting to see if current rhetoric against queer people has an effect on this number in coming years. It's had an effect on queer acceptance by the general public. Today's rhetoric has put a little dent in some of those numbers, but this Gallup survey to me is core because it's about us rather than the sentiment of others. We're here, we're queer, and we're more likely to tell you that in a phone survey than we were 15 years ago.